A lot of people have trouble with risotto. What I want to do today is sort of demystify it for you, give you some pointers on basics, which will get you through it and you'll have a successful product. Let's get started. We have canarelli rice, which is the best rice for risotto. We have green-lipped oysters from the Marlborough region of New Zealand, fresh prawns, calamari, and deep bay scallops. That's going to be the foundation to our seafood risotto. With Stoneleigh Sauvignon Blanc, perfect combination. We're going to get this started. So butter, onions, garlic, you need a good saute, so that's the beginning. I have my stock simmering on the side. So now we're going to add the rice to the butter and onion and garlic mixture. I'm going to do a deglaze with white wine. Now what you're hearing now is really critical. That indicates that I have exactly the right pan temperature. So this pan will almost go dry, and then I will start moving my stock into the pan. So now we've evaporated the wine off. You can see the rice is back down to itself in the pan. I'll add one ladle at a time. I'll stir it constantly. I'll keep it moving in the pan so I don't build up a starch layer on the bottom. When I get to that certain point where the rice has absorbed the liquid, I do it again, and I do it again, and I do it again, until approximately 20 minutes has passed by, and that rice should be ready at that point. I'm going to add a little bit of our San Marzano tomato sauce, just for a little bit of texture. At the very end, you add a little bit more stock than you typically would, and then you drop your seafood in. We have our green-lipped mussels from New Zealand, from the Marlborough region. We have nice prawns. I have the calamari, and then my scallops. I brought my heat down a little bit. All right. There's our risotto. Perfect. The seafood is just cooked. I'm just going to add in a bit of Reggiano. There's a beautiful creaminess to it. It's soft. Seafood is cooked well. Now this, for me, the pairing of the Sauvignon Blanc from Stoneleigh is an exact perfect match for this dish. The beautiful forward citrus notes of this, the passion fruit, and sort of the herbaceousness of it is just a perfect pairing for this dish. Enjoy.